Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to mint in OpenSea Easy Guide. First, set up a compatible wallet and fund it with crypto for fees. Next, prepare high-quality artwork, clear metadata, and consider edition size and royalty percentage. Then, create a collection or mint a single item, follow OpenSea prompts, and confirm transactions via your wallet. Finally, review your listing, set visibility options, and share your new NFT with buyers. Start by optimizing your media for quick loading and consistent display across platforms. Make sure file names are clear, and metadata includes title, description, and searchable attributes to attract collectors. Choose supported file formats such as PNG for images or MP4 for animations, and keep file sizes reasonable to avoid upload issues. Prepare any unlockable content or external links ahead of time, and double-check everything before moving to the minting step. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy device for music, timers, and voice shortcuts that pairs well with creative workspaces. Check the description for the Echo Dot link, other deals, and additional resources. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Click Create on OpenSea and upload your prepared media, then complete the title, description, and attributes fields. Select the correct blockchain and set supply, royalties, and other settings before proceeding. When you hit Create, your wallet will request approval for the minting transaction. Confirm it and wait for network confirmation. After the transaction finalizes, your NFT appears in your collection and is ready to list or share with potential buyers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.